Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be like completely different than the usual stuff I do on the channel, and let me tell you, this is going to be a fun unboxing because we won't be covering any sort of tech in this video, guys. This is like completely different. So thing is, we recently bought a brand new bed for our home and we were looking to get like a new mattress for the same thing. So I was doing a bit of googling and I saw a couple of videos also on YouTube and came across this brand known as Bianca, and a lot of other YouTubers, other creators also made videos on this mattress, and it had like decent ratings, good ratings. And so I thought, chalo, why not, let's give this mattress a try. And I ordered and this thing got delivered over here, guys. And today in this video we're gonna unbox and check it out. So thing is, see, a lot of people just like me keep looking to buy like a new mattress, right, for their home, maybe for their family members or maybe for their parents. So this video might be like useful for you people also, so make sure to watch it till the end. And let me tell you, this is not any other regular mattress, guys. It's like a premium quality mattress that comes with like memory foam on it and also has some unique features like zero partner disturbance and a lot of other stuff which I'll tell you in this video. So let's get started. Alright guys, here's the mattress I was talking about. It came in this sort of huge box packaging. We've got the Bianca branding everywhere, and on the other side it says this is Swissco certified as well. And I believe this is the only mattress brand in India that is Swissco certified. Swissco is Europe's #1 sleep innovation organization, so you can expect like all sorts of quality standards on this product. And on top of that, the brand is also offering like a 10-year warranty on it, as you can see mentioned over here on the box packaging. So that is pretty much it about the box. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. I actually can't believe how the brand has managed to pack a king size large mattress into such a compact box, guys. I mean, it's definitely a big box, but a 72 by 78 king size mattress is massive in size, not a joke. So this whole packaging process is definitely impressive. Now finally, time to show you the mattress and reveal the mystery behind the packaging. There you go, guys. The mattress comes compressed like a roll and is vacuum sealed tightly to save space. And we've got the size details mentioned over here on the cover. Mine is 72 by 78 inches with 6 inches thickness. And let me tell you, unpacking it is very easy and also super fun at the same time. Just start tearing the package from any end and remove this outer cover, and now unroll the mattress. You can unroll it on the floor or even directly on your bed also, that is up to you. So guys, as you can see, the entire mattress is tightly compressed and vacuum sealed. Just start tearing this cover and you'll automatically notice that the mattress expands and regains its original shape and size. There you go, you can already see that happening in the video right now. Very fun unboxing experience, and within around like 10 to 15 seconds your mattress will get back to its original shape, and now it's all ready to be used. The only thing left to do is grab the mattress and place it on your bed. And by the way, a lot of people actually get confused regarding what size mattress they should order for their bed. See, it's very simple, nothing to get confused over here. You only need to measure the inner length and width of your bed, just like how I'm doing in the video. Most of the beds are categorized in standard sizes, like you get queen size, king size, and more other variants. Ours is a 72 by 78 inch king size bed, which is readily available in Bianca's website. If you have a custom size bed, also not an issue at all. They even make custom size mattresses as per your requirement. So once you're done with confirming the size, you just need to place an order and the brand will get it delivered at your home. And as you can see, the mattress sits perfectly on the bed, exact size what we wanted. Alright, let me tell you about all of its features and main highlights of this mattress. Starting off with the look and feel. Bianca's orthopedic mattress comes in this nice white and red color finish and is available in various sizes as I mentioned. Also, the mattress is available in 3 thickness and 2 firmness variants. It's available in 6 inches and 8 inches thickness. We bought the 6 inch variant as it's recommended for an average normal consumer, and 8 inches is recommended for people above 80 kgs in weight. Now coming to the firmness, it's available in medium and firm variants. Medium is suggested for everyone, regular normal people who do not have any sort of back pain problems. But if you have elder people at home or maybe grandparents above 60 years or people who have back pain, then it is recommended to go with the firm variant, guys. So make sure to choose a proper variant before actually buying it. Alright, now let's talk about the design and the quality. Bianca's mattress has a beautiful design. It comes in red and white finish with a dotted pattern on the top fabric and looks quite appealing. The mattress has a multi-layer design featuring a total of 2 layers inside. Starting off from the base, it comes with a doctor recommended support layer that provides a good orthopedic care to your spine and your back, followed by an orthopedic gel memory foam layer that takes your body shape while sleeping. And lastly, the whole entire thing is covered in a breathable bamboo top fabric layer, which enhances the airflow and greatly reduces sweating. So all these layers work in harmony to give you the best comfort and zonal support while you're sleeping. Now I really have to talk about this memory foam layer on the mattress. See, it's actually pretty cool. Thing is, whenever you sleep on it, your body applies pressure, right? At this time, the mattress takes the shape of your body and actually relieves pressure points. Just see what happens when I'm trying to push my hand on the bed. It adapts to my hand shape and retains like that. And once you remove the pressure, it goes back to its original shape. These sort of mattresses are like highly recommended by orthopedic doctors as they relieve your back pain and offer maximum comfort while sleeping. And thanks to its breathable bamboo fabric at the top, there's plenty of airflow happening to minimize sweating also when you're sleeping. And wait a second, I forgot to mention, the mattress also offers you something known as zero partner disturbance. Now, usually in the regular mattresses, when someone is sleeping beside you, when they start moving or tossing around, you'll definitely notice and your sleep gets disturbed, right? But that won't happen on this particular one. It is designed in such a way that no matter how much disturbance is created on one side, the other side is not at all affected. To show you all a demo, you can see I've placed a glass of water on the bed, and no matter how much I jump or walk on the bed, the glass is not at all affected. Very impressive, right? So now let me share you my comfort and experience with this mattress. I've been using this product for almost 2 weeks now, and let me tell you, it's a very good mattress. Feels soft and comfortable, the foam quality is nice, and since it's gel infused memory foam, when body pressure is applied, it takes your shape and offers a comfortable experience. My mom and dad though really liked it as it was offering a good support for their back. We were quite satisfied with the overall experience. So with all these features in mind, you might expect that the mattress might be quite expensive, right? But no, that is not the case over here. The pricing is actually quite affordable compared to the other brands. Now suppose you're looking for a king size high quality mattress of the same size with the memory foam in the market, that will easily cost you around like 40 to 50,000 rupees. But the same thing from Bianca will cost you only around 14 to 16,000 rupees. And the reason for that is Bianca ships their products directly from their factory, directly from the manufacturer, guys. There are no middlemen involved in this process. And because of this direct consumer approach, the customers will be in a huge benefit and save a lot of money. Alright guys, we're almost coming to an end, and if you ask about the warranty and stuff, the brand offers you around like a 10-year warranty on the mattress and even provides you with 100 nights of sleep trial also. I'll leave links to all of these in the description box below, guys. You can check it out from there. Well, that is pretty much it. That was my video on Bianca's orthopedic mattress. It's a really good mattress and much better than my old one. Offers memory foam, cushioning is soft, feels comfortable, and I had a quite satisfactory experience. The pricing of their mattress starts at 5,499 for a single bed variant and goes up depending on the size. I'll leave links to all of these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.